It's a cold and rainy afternoon here in New York City, but I feel great. Because, how about those Mets? And how about those Brooklyn Nets? And thank you, Crystal Palace, for that great performance yesterday. Meanwhile, all I can say is that it's time to celebrate. For many reasons. The markets are closed, traders, they're going home, so grab yourself a drink, lift your glass, and cheers to you all, because it's about that time. It's happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks trading higher this Tuesday afternoon as investors take in weak oil prices and renewed dollar strength ahead of the unofficial beginning of earnings season, which is tomorrow. But first, on today's economic front, the Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey, better known as JOLTS, show that there was 5.1 million job openings on the last business day of February. That's the highest level since January 2001, but also little change from the previous month. At the same time, Greece remaining an issue as government leaders seek reparations from Germany for damages during the Nazi occupation for World War II. And Germany's economy minister, as a response, said that the demand for 278.7 billion euros, about $302 billion, was, in his words, stupid. And this according to a Reuters report. Also, crude oil futures settling higher, $53.98 a barrel, up 3.5%, extending Monday's 6% gain. Overnight, oil slumping on a report from Goldman Sachs saying that prices needed to remain low 4 months in order to achieve a slowdown in U.S. output growth. And with gold futures down $8, advancers were just a step ahead of decliners over at the New York Stock Exchange. So let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this trading session. And on the corporate front, FedEx making headlines, announcing that it will buy Europe's TNT Express for $4.8 billion, pending regulatory approval. That approval was not forthcoming 2 years ago when FedEx competitor UPS tried to buy TNT, but was rebuffed by competition officials. Starbucks announcing that it will expand its college tuition assistance program to cover the total cost of an online bachelor's degree. Pretty impressive. And Intel will change its financial reporting structure effective on the presentation of its fiscal first quarter results on April 14th. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow afternoon. Actually, tomorrow morning. That's how tired I am. And watch out, because later on this afternoon, technically this evening, I have a surprise for all of you. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.